WhatsApp Cloud API integration. From the dashboard, go to Connect and tap on Publish Bot. A page will appear showing 2 ways to connect your WhatsApp business. Click on Official WhatsApp Connect, and you will see the WhatsApp integration steps, terms, and conditions. Agree and go to the next page and do the rest as shown in the video. Now create an app on Facebook and select Next. For a temporary access token, go to the Create App page again and create an app. After that, select WhatsApp and continue. Click on Start using an API and generate an access token. Copy the token and paste it on the Botsify platform. Click Next. Go again to Facebook Developers page. Copy the phone number and paste it to the platform. Same for the phone number ID and click Next. Now go again to the Facebook page, copy the WhatsApp business account ID, paste it on the platform, and tap Next. Now go to the Facebook page again, copy the app ID, and paste it to the platform, name the app secret. Click Next. And copy the generated callback URL and paste it on the Facebook page. The same for verifying token, and click on Verify and save. Click Next and you will see that the WhatsApp business account is successfully connected. That's it. Thanks for watching.